Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I have just finished recording one video and I'm instantly into recording another video. I've discovered something, guys. I think you're really going to like this one, especially if you sell on Redbubble. But don't worry, if you don't sell on Redbubble, all of my videos are general print on demand videos. I cannot stress that enough. This works just as well on Etsy, just as well on Merch by Amazon, just as well on Zazzle. It's just we're using Redbubble's website to our advantage. Just trust me on this, guys. You're going to want to watch this whole video. This is going to get pretty interesting. We're going to be doing 3 different things in this video. First of all, we're going to be using a website that I've never been on before until just now, which is Wish. Don't ask me why, just follow along, guys. Trust me, it's going to get pretty interesting in this video. Once we're on Wish, we're going to go to fashion, we're going to go to men's, and we're going to go on graphic t-shirts just like this. The reason we're doing this is because I just want a list of examples, okay? So, yep, perfect. I'm a multitasker, hell was full, so I came back, you know, all the classic t-shirts that you see all over the place. We're going to be using this one here, me, sarcastic, never, as an example. So, what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to slow down a little bit. We're going to go on Redbubble and I'm going to search me, sarcastic, never. Okay. I need to very quickly just do something. Okay, I just changed from window to display capture on OBS. If you don't know what that means, don't worry about it. What I'm going to do is I am going to highlight up to this point here. So this can be quite confusing, but you just want to highlight up to here. Once you've highlighted up to there, normally what happens is it highlights all of them. You just need to push it a little bit. It's kind of a weird process. You'll get the hang of it. Has that worked? No. You can hold shift as well, okay, if you want to get them all. Okay. So I've got them all here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick them here, although I'm not going to use many of these. Then what you want to do is you want to start clicking on these. So I'm going to click on snarky quote. I'm going to press Control-C again, and guess what? It actually saves the fact that you've highlighted across like that. So all you need to do basically is click through these until you find something that is actually good. So Monday should be optional. Sounds like a good one to me. And sorry, I just went on the wrong one. Look how few results that has. Were you expecting this to have 250 results? Because I was definitely not. So the final part of this process, you can either, if you want, you can use Ahrefs keyword generator. So just go on Google and type in Ahrefs keyword generator. Let's take this keyword and we'll put it into the keyword generator. And look at that. It has 90 searches per month, but I don't trust that tool particularly. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to go on Google Ads, and I'm sorry Google, I am going to create another new account, even though I've done this a million times. I've literally done this way too many times now. Google must be getting annoyed with me at this point. You'll see the screen if you make a new Google Ad account, so just click on switch to expert mode like that. Very, very simple process. And I do want to talk about why I like this keyword method so much, but let's just quickly validate this keyword. So click on create an account without a campaign, press no so that you don't receive a load of spam, and then click on explore your account. Once you're here, click on tools and click on keyword planner. This will take you to the most powerful keyword tool in the entire world. What we could do actually is we could copy all of this, okay, and write English here. And we'll just do the United States. If you want this to be even better, you could add more countries. So we could add Canada as well. We could add the United Kingdom as well, etc., etc., etc. And then it works. I knew it. I knew it was going to work. Wait, what is this? Wait, I might have just discovered something. No. Let's go back to discover new keywords, and we'll just do these. There we go. That's 10. So that's the maximum amount that we can do. And then we hit enter and we look to see if there's anything good. Monday should be optional actually has up to 1,000 searches every month. If we want to see exactly how many searches a month this has, we can download the keywords here, and I can actually check. So Monday should be optional. It actually has 500. So Ahrefs just honestly don't even bother using it. So annoying that such an expensive tool is just completely wrong. I do find that pretty interesting. Monday should be optional. This is a great keyword that we found incredibly quickly, and it has very, very low competition on Redbubble. This is actually a really, really good method to find some keywords. Finale as well could be a good one. Yep, it is another good one. Holy crap. Wait, this is a really, really good keyword method. Redbubble does not appear to be here. Finally, t-shirt. Yes, it does have the keyword t-shirt here, which is exactly what we want. Let's see how many results this has. 50. You are kidding me. Okay, so why does this work so well? The reason, I didn't mean to click that. The reason this works so well is because we're using a number of different things. First of all, we use a starting point of any popular keyword. Okay, let me just get Excel draw up. So the logic is we start with a popular keyword. You can use Wish, you can use Etsy, you can use anything, okay? You could even just go on Redbubble. And what I like to do sometimes is you can just press enter here, and you can put it by best selling, so that you literally have the best selling product on Redbubble, and you can maybe get an initial keyword. All you need is a popular initial keyword. Once you search for that popular initial keyword, Redbubble gives you automatic suggestions here, okay? And one of the automatic suggestions was snarky quotes. And then from that, I was then given even more of these bubbles, okay? And these bubbles are semantically linked, or just kind of topics that are linked to a popular keyword. So we're basically just niching down within this system. And that's why this works so goddamn well. I do very quickly want to try something here. Let's just get rid of these. I want to see what happens if I type snarky quotes onto this tool. No, okay, so you can see that this tool here is using like phrase match. So we're using the word snarky quotes. So it's only showing us other keywords with the word snarky inside. Whereas Redbubble is actually giving us snarky quotes, okay? Which is super, super interesting. Let's click on geeky quotes. Yeah, this is, honestly, this is perfect. This is such a good keyword. Such an easy and simple keyword method that is just giving us so many good keywords, which we can then stick into our other tool here to see how many searches a month they have on Google, okay? So correlation is not causation, obviously has a lot because it's an incredibly popular keyword. What you can do is you can press enter here. Redbubble is not going to be here, obviously, but what we can look for is something like, if I put the letter T, shirts, no. So don't force it. If it's not coming out, if it's not giving you a shirt or whatever, then it's probably not a good keyword, to be honest with you. So 50, I don't know, 50, I don't care, 50, I don't know, 50, I don't care. There we go, there's the word shirt. So we click on this, we do search for Redbubble, there it is. Let's see how many searches a month this has on Google. I do recommend putting the video on 0.75 speed if I'm going too quickly for you guys. I know that I go quite quickly, I'm sorry about that, but There's nothing I can do to slow myself down. I've tried many times. It just doesn't work. I just can't slow down for some reason. I've always had this problem in my life. I always will have this problem. So interestingly, Redbubble does not have any results on Google for this, which is kind of weird because it should. I'm not sure why it doesn't have results here. But yeah, the really good thing about this is the fact that when you highlight something like this, it just gives you more and more keywords, okay? And you can just keep grabbing them, keep putting them into a notepad like this. Click on Jazz Quote, let's have a look. Click on Jazz Quote again, see if anything comes up. No, Jazz Saying. So eventually you'll hit this wall, okay? And you might think, oh no, well, what the hell do I do now? Once you get to that point, you can just start again, okay? So best cat dad ever, best cat dad ever. It's actually a really good keyword, but it's like incredibly saturated. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna highlight all of these. Once you hit the arrow, just hold shift and then just do it again like that. And again, oh my God, there are a lot here. Okay, let's copy these. I'm gonna hit cat watching sunset, which actually does not have that many results. Cat watching sunset. Up to 100 searches every month. It's pretty good, but it's not that amazing. Catzilla was a good one. Catzilla, I like that. Catzilla. Up to 10,000 searches every month. Only 1.4 thousand results on Redbubble. So you can see this, this could be copyright though, I don't actually know. Let's click on Yawning Cat. Hi, how are you? What? Okay, I don't know what just happened, but we're on something kind of weird now. I don't really know what's going on. I think for now, I'm just gonna leave the video there because that was I just wanted to get this video out as soon as possible. I think there is a lot of potential in this kind of thing where you use one popular keyword which brings you onto these boxes, and then you just keep hitting these boxes and you will find some very good stuff here. I like coffee, my dog, and maybe 3 people. I am really curious by this. Okay, interesting. No, literally has nothing. Super interesting. Just alone, like using Wish to find keywords is pretty interesting. Can't hear you, I'm gaming. Look, there it is. It's literally just started trending on Redbubble. That's interesting to me. So another thing we could do, like just to continue actually, I can just write gaming shirt here, I'm pretty sure. Not with double R, preferably. Yeah, it works. So once these boxes jump out at you, that's when you know that you're in the right place, basically. Okay, so let's click on gaming. You just got to be patient. You just got to keep clicking on things until you get to that point. There we go, can't hear you. And this is where the keywords start coming out. There we go. I'm too busy gaming, 403 results. Let's see. I'm too busy gaming. 0 to 10, not the best keyword. I was expecting better there. Maybe it's because people use apostrophes. Gamers use apostrophes, I guess. You get flamed for having bad grammar, so I'm busy gaming. Let's see. No, it's just a bad keyword. I really would not have expected that to have been a bad keyword, but apparently it is. Let's click on funny gaming quotes, see if we can get one more before the video ends. Love video games. No. Great outfit, easily distracted by cows. Okay. That's a good one. That's a very good one. Redbubble is on the first page. I have found this keyword before. I don't remember ever finding I don't remember finding this keyword, but apparently I found it before. I'm going to leave it there, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the support recently. Special thanks to all of the positive comments, and just I've been blown away, honestly, in the last 3 or 4 videos. People have been so supportive of me, so thank you so much. I'll see you really, really soon with some more content, probably tomorrow, and peace out.